Introduce highlight features or overview summary for GasDoc DS-399 carbon monoxide detector. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Carbon monoxide detector. The DS-399 portable carbon monoxide detector can detect CO levels ranging from 0 to 1000 ppm. It also allows you to set custom alarm thresholds for even earlier detection, ensuring your safety. In addition, the CO meter monitors real-time temperature and humidity, providing you with accurate environmental data. Powerful rechargeable battery. Featuring a powerful 1000 mAh lithium battery, this CO alarm is equipped with Type-C charging capability, ensuring minimal downtime. A full charge provides up to 168 hours of continuous use, making it a reliable choice for long trips and extended outdoor stays. Easy to carry. This handheld CO tester is designed to be extremely compact, roughly the size of your palm. Its small size makes it easy to carry, whether tucked in your pocket or attached to your luggage using the included lanyard. Its portability ensures that safety is always within reach during your travels. Audio-visual alarm. The detector allows you to set custom CO alarm thresholds. When the gas concentration exceeds the set alarm threshold, the device emits an audible alarm, and the ring indicator light below the screen changes color based on the alert level. This dual alert system provides double protection for your safety. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.